Mario Gonzalez had one rule in his South LA barbershop: no colors, Crips and Bloods, MS-13. It didn't matter. You walked in, you left that outside. Some guys laughed at first, some got angry. One night, two rival members ended up in the same chair rotation, and things got tense fast. Mario didn't call the police. He sat both of them down and talked. Just talked. That became his method. For 10 years, he cut hair, mediated beefs, and treated every kid who walked through his door like he was worth something. Because Mario believed they were. He never got paid for the peacemaking. He lost some customers who thought he was soft, or there were threats. He kept showing up anyway. The violence in his immediate neighborhood dropped measurably over the following decade. City officials started calling him, then universities, then other cities. He didn't set out to build a movement. He just refused to let his shop become another place where kids felt disposable. Dignity is contagious. Mario proved that one haircut at a time.